sculptor came with 3 gold murtis. Same, absolutely identical, made of gold. And he asked, can you please recognize the difference between these 3 murtis and the difference of values of these 3 murtis? And everybody said that they look the same, they made of the same gold, so the value is the same. So then finally, Vikramaditya asked Kalidas, so Kalidas, can you make out the difference? He said, okay, let me see. So Kalidas took a wire, metal wire. So one murti, the wire, he passed it through the ear. So one murti, it went from one ear and the thing came out from the other ear. So he said the value of this one is 2 paisa. Everyone are shocked. This gold made of gold, and he's saying it's 2 paisa. Then he took the cable, took the wire, metal wire, and passed it through the ear, and it stuck on the way. Couldn't go through. He says this one is, the value is 10,000 gold coin. And then he took the other murti and passed the wire, and this wire went to the heart, through the ear into the heart. And he said this one is priceless. Even if you get all the wealth of this world, it won't match its value. So Vikramaditya asked, why did you say that? He said, because the first one, he hears from here, one ear, and what he hears goes out from the other ear. So he is useless. The one who hears and keeps it within himself, then he is a valuable person. But the one who takes the words and takes it to his heart, his value cannot be measured by any amount of wealth. So this is how he judged 3 different people, 3 types of people. Now, which category do you want to fall? How many of you want to fall in the first category? How many of you want to fall in the second category? How many of you want to fall in the third category? Very good. Yes. Take it to your heart. All the good advice that you get, take it to your heart and act accordingly. Mold yourself according to that. Hare Krishna. Thank you all very much.